Happy Monday, class, and welcome to Unit 6. I wanted to give you a quick reminder. I know that it's on the announcements page for today, but I want each of you to go to your student portal today and log in with the student login and review your schedule of courses that you are registered for next term. It's important that you do this, and if you have any questions about the courses that you're registered for or about this process, to please reach out to your academic success counselor. And if you don't know who that is, you can always contact me and I can help provide that information for you. We have such an exciting week with so many interesting concepts to discuss. So I encourage each of you to go to the discussion board this morning and look for my thread that I've created and look through the different resources and videos that I've linked for you to help prepare you for our discussion this week. We're going to be discussing academic thinking and writing, and we're going to be discussing plagiarism and creative, critical, and analytical thinking and their role not only in our life as college students, but in your life as a professional in your future career. So I encourage you to go through and look through all of them. Academic integrity is also an important concept we're going to be discussing this week, and I've linked a really helpful video for you to watch on the importance of academic integrity and what it is. We're also going to be discussing the 7th Covey habit this week, which is sharpen the saw. And I have also linked a video for you to watch on that, as there is no video link this week under the readings and resources. The habit sharpen the saw is all about thinking about the problem that needs to be solved and coming up with creative solutions for it, as well as staying balanced as you do so. It really doesn't do any of us any good if we spend 3 hours half-heartedly working on something when we could spend 1 hour of focused, dedicated time working to solve an issue. And we also need to remember that these 4 dimensions that are discussed this week, heart, mind, body, and soul, it's important that we take time for ourselves so that we can stay balanced in our own lives, and that we, as we do so, we are more able to take on the challenges of life and all the different tasks that come upon us each week. I'm here to support you, so please reach out if I can be of assistance, and let's make it an excellent week.